It's time for BSL for everyone. With the introduction of the curriculum for Wales in 2022, Wales becomes the first part of the UK to include BSL in the curriculum alongside Welsh, English and other languages. To support teachers and learners, we've produced a range of brilliant accessible resources available for the first time in BSL, including Storytime, a collection of adaptations of some of Wales's most well-known legends and stories. Unable to fit in any ship, Bendigeidfran wades across the Irish Sea. For a range of age groups. These are Mel Angel's friends. Mel Angel likes animals. With musician, author and broadcaster Cerys Matthews narrating her picture book story, Gelert, a man's best friend.
Look up in the sky on a dark winter's night. It's Gelert you'll find in the stars shining bright.
The resources are available for free on Hub, the All Wales Learning platform.